Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial where we are going to focus on computations, okay? And we are going to build on the previous tutorial where we were explaining the company specific fundamentals. So if you haven't yet watched that tutorial, please I advise you to do so that you can understand what's happening in these computations, okay? And I've even explained a lot here. I've even shared with you some formulas in the previous tutorial, okay? So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. Right, so we want to start by calculating the PE ratio, okay? Like I said in the previous section, we looked at different formats of the of the formula to calculate the price earnings ratio, right? And the first one here, we said we said current stock price divided by EPS. And here we have another one where we said we can calculate that by using this formula, market capitalization divided by earnings. So we want to start by looking at market capitalization divided by earnings, and let's see if these formulas will bring different results. Okay, so let's find the market cap. Okay, I think let's go back to here. We have got the market cap that we calculated here, 17,214,200. And also let's go back and check here. Market cap, no, that was not the market cap. We calculated the market value. Sorry guys, let's look at the market cap here. The market cap is 69,853.87. so 69, these amounts are in millions. So we said okay, so let's come back here. So let's write. So here we need to put the figure for that. So let's go back again and try to look at that figure there. Okay, so 69 853.87, because I multiplied it by 1000. Remember, this is in millions, so to change this to millions, you multiply by 1000. That's what I did. Okay, so let's come back here. Perfect. Cool. Right, let's look at the earnings. So we can get our earnings from this income extract. Okay, so our earnings here, I'm having trouble to see properly, but let me do this. So it's 1408. Let me go back again. Okay, it's negative, so to put it as a negative, I'll say equals 0 minus 1408. Let's see again. 1408296. Perfect. Great. So we have our earnings, which is negative. So it was not net income, it was net loss. Okay, net loss or net loss. Okay, that's good. So let's calculate our PE ratio using this formula, market cap divided by earnings. So like I said, to divide, say click in this cell here and say equals, then select market cap divided by negative earnings. Perfect. So this is our ratio. Okay, so let's just go up and try to compare if this is here we've got PE ratio is 47, negative 47.89. that's our PE. So let's see As you can see, we are getting a different answer, but it's within the range, just that this one is higher than that one. Okay, so 49.60, that one is 47.80. okay, so let's just look at the other formula. The other formula, we say current stock price divided by earnings per share. Okay, so let's go back again here. Let's scroll up. Right, so we see that we've got negative earnings here, earnings per share, which is negative 56.30, and our closing price is 2696.46. okay, so 2696.46. hope I won't forget. So let's put here the figure for current share price, 2696.46. Here it should be negative 54.30. I'm not sure. Let's check again. Negative 56.30. okay, negative 56.30. that's our earnings per share. So it's negative. So to do that, we say equals 0 minus 56.30. okay, right, which is perfect. Right, or before we do that, before we even think of finding our EPS, remember we have a formula here where we want to calculate our EPS. okay, so we can even find the number of issued shares. So let's start by calculating EPS, and then we can conclude calculating in P price earnings ratio there. Okay, so we've got our earnings figure there, which is fine. So we need the number of issued shares, right? So the number of issued shares, we get it here. Right, this is the number of issued shares, 2590577. right, that's the number of issued shares. So we said 2590577. perfect. That's great. So to calculate earnings per share, we say earnings. So in this case, negative earnings minus there were no dividends, because this was we cannot pay dividends from a loss. Okay, we need to understand that. So earnings, we divide it by the number of issued shares. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see, we have got negative 54. right, negative 54. So let's just go back and check and see. Negative 54. Here, earnings per share, we've got 56.30. okay, so I think there is some disparity there in terms of rounding and stuff. Okay, but anyway, let's just use the provided earnings per share. So negative minus 56.30. okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so if we say equals, and then we say closing share price divided by earnings per share, then we get 47.89. right, but please note that this figure there, it's a bit different with this one, but you see, I think there's something to do with the rounding, and stuff. Okay, so perfect, but it's not that bad. So let's go back and take a look at the price to book value. Okay, so our price, we have it already because it's the market cap. So all we need right now is the equity. So we'll get it from the balance sheet extract. So from the balance sheet extract, if you go to the left, you will see a section where it's saying shareholders funds. So this is equity. Okay, so we are going to use this 912,927 million. Okay, so we need to feed that figure there. So 9,912,927. Okay, perfect. So to calculate the price to book value is we divide the market cap, we divide it by equity, shareholders funds. Perfect. So we get a price to book value of 7.5 times. Okay, so this is equity, that is shareholders funds. Okay, so let's just take a look and see if this is true. Perfect. As you can see here, we've got the price to book ratio of 7.05, which is great. Now let's go back. Here we want to calculate the price to revenue. Okay, I noticed that on the company specific fundamentals we don't have the price to revenue, but I felt the need to just calculate it. Okay, so we need to get the figure for the revenue, so we can get it from the income extract. Okay, so let's go. We get this one for 2020. So if you scroll to the left, you see revenues here, 6768,246. That's the figure for the revenue. Okay, so just see price to revenue. So let's just put the revenue figure there, 6768,246. Okay, perfect. So price to revenue, we have got our market cap already, so divide it by revenue. Okay, and then we get 10.32 times. Okay, which is great. And then we need the number of issued shares. So the number of issued shares, I think we've worked with it. It's here, the number of issued shares, so it's a matter of just copying that number. Right, so these are the number of issued shares. Okay, then here we have to calculate the market cap. Right, we have to calculate the market cap. So to calculate the market cap, all we need to do right now to calculate the market cap, we need to multiply. Remember, we said market cap is equals to market value times the number of outstanding issued shares. Okay, so we just say equals, we've got our share price there, but it's in cents. We are going to deal with that later. So let's just say that times the number of issued shares here. Perfect. Right, so this value there, it's in ZW but cents. Okay, ZW cents. Perfect. Right, so let's calculate market cap. Okay, market cap ZW dollars. Okay, let's see how to do that. So remember, all we need to do is we need to divide this, divided by 100, because we need to get the dollars. Okay, perfect. So we get back to 69,853,872.57. okay, which is our market cap. So let's highlight this. Okay, market cap. So if we compare it here, it's just a small discrepancy, but it's the same. Okay, so which is great. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned a lot, and by now I think you are now getting the idea of where this is going, and that you now start to feel that you start to feel confident that you can do this thing. Okay, and thank you so much guys, and please, before I conclude, I just want to plead with you. I just want to request you to just hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and to like this tutorial, and comment if you like it, and then you can share with your peers. Encourage your peers to come and watch this video. Let's help other people get inspired as well. Okay, and in the end we will all achieve financial wellness, financial independence. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you.